Want to learn how to edit and customize your Snapchat shortcuts? If you're looking to add or remove people from your Snapchat shortcuts, this tutorial will walk you through the simple steps to make it happen. Stick around to learn how to manage your shortcuts effortlessly. First, open Snapchat on your device and take a snap. Once you've taken your snap, tap on the Send To button at the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top left of the screen, right below the search bar, you'll see all of your Snapchat shortcuts. Tap the little plus icon there to open the editing options for your shortcuts. Now you'll see a list of all your Snapchat shortcuts. To edit one, select the shortcut you want to modify. You can now add new people to this shortcut or remove anyone you no longer want included by simply selecting or deselecting them. Once you're done, hit Save to update your shortcut. And that's it. Now you know how to edit your Snapchat shortcuts quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.